Yo, all that revving sounds crazy, man, but don't waste all your gas, Lucas. We gotta get some doper shots, man. You guys, we're about to take Dobre cars to the next level. The new Insta360 X3 camera, best 360 camera out there.
Let me see it. Whoa, we can get some dope shots with our cars in them.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen, but let me open up and show you guys how this camera looks. Yo, this is gonna give us the best shots that we need right now.
The Insta360 X3 comes with the selfie stick. Look how long it goes. The angles we can get with this is crazy. Yo, hold this. Yo, look at this. Look how long that is. I can't wait to see the shots.
Guys, the mounting suction cups is an amazing new add-on for the Insta360 X3. So easy and can mount on almost every surface you put it on. Check this out. Just line it how you want, pump it up, boom, mounted. Firm grip. We added an extra one just for more stability. Just like that, ready to go. You all have to get yours now. This thing is so fun, amazing, and easy to use. Check this out. Mounted, ready to get the shot.
Look at this footage that we got.
Whoa, that's sick.
Angles are wild, right? Yo, and this shoots in 5.7K for the 360 camera, 30 frames per second, and it has a 1/2 inch sensor, so we're definitely gonna get the best, most high quality vivid shots of our cars, especially the Ferrari, man. With that back engine right there, you guys don't even know the angles that we've been wanting to get, Lucas, on the track, on our drag races, just on our everyday driving. You know, fast is a lifestyle, so we need something to keep up with us. Insta360 X3 has got us, yo. Impossible aerial views. I mean, look at all these angles that I got here recently.
That's sick, bro. We need to get some with my Ferrari.
What I love about this too is that you can stick this anywhere and we don't even have to worry about framing. All of the footage is imported into the 360 app and does all the framing for us, so we can do all the editing right there in the app. Everything's just made easier. You don't have to be a professional.
Insta360 might be the new thing, bro. Yeah, we gotta start getting better camera angles like you said. We gotta step it up. Bro, imagine our races like on this.
The races will be crazy. All I have to do is screw on right here.
It's that easy?
It's that easy, brother.
And it's a 360 camera?
Oh yeah. This shot right here is probably my favorite shot. All the framing, everything is done with the AI powered software on the app, so it's easy for us, yo. I gotta say, it's a lifestyle. People are gonna love watching our videos now. I feel like I'm in a video game when I see this footage.
Make sure you guys go get your Insta360 X3 camera down in the description right now. Yo, should we do some dope montage shots?
Yo, let's do it. And I forgot to mention, they do have a $45 warranty program. If you break your camera by accident, because you know, you get kind of wild, you get one free within 1 year. So make sure you guys go check out the deals right now. Get everything that you need, all the tools necessary to get your dopest shots. This is gonna take us to the next level for sure. Shout out to Insta360 for sponsoring this video. And thank you for bringing us to the next level. Let's get it.
All right, let's go get some dope shots. Check it out.
Yo, what's good, brother?
This is ridiculous. Yo, Cyrus.
Yo.
Dude, so I'm at the gas station, and I just went in to get some snacks and some drinks, and I came back to my car. Someone slashed my tire, bro.
Yeah, I saw your text. Honestly, I didn't believe it at first, but it's ridiculous.
No, I'm not kidding, bro. And, like, I did notice a couple people standing around. I mean, I didn't think anything of it. I thought they just liked the car, but when I came back out, like, nah.
Alright, hold on. Yeah, Lucas, go to Darius' location right now.
Alright, so what happened?
Someone slashed his tire, some hater or something. Alright, Dar, we're gonna be there soon, okay? Is there anything else in the car? Did they key the car? Did they scratch it? Did they do anything else or what?
I'm looking around right now. I'm looking around the car, but I'm trying to get the security footage from the guy. from the worker, so if you can help me out, that'd be awesome.
Alright, just be on the lookout.
System.
Be very aware, be very sharp right now. Look at your surroundings, because you never know if they're nearby. They might do something else, okay? Just watch your back until we get there for sure.
When do you guys think you'll be here?
We'll probably be there in like 5 minutes tops. Alright?
Yeah, we can turn around. We're gonna get some food.
Alright, sorry to bother. It just sucks.
No. We got your back. We're coming right now. And did you see where else they, like, where they slashed it? Are you still looking for that?
It's definitely slashed. It's not a flat tire. My car is, I mean, I just got it, bro. It's new.
They used like a nail or something like that, or?
Didn't someone cheese our car there too? Yeah, same location. Yeah, that's where our car got
I'm just
cheese.
making sure that nobody's
Yeah,
around
someone
right now.
someone literally put cheese on our car there.
We're on our way, man. Just stay safe,
Alright,
okay?
love
Call us
you.
if you need anything. Love you too.
Alright, bye.
Man, yo, I mean, haters do exist out there.
Yeah.
I mean, they're gonna be mad if they're not inspired by you. They're gonna hate on you, you know, and that's what's messed up.
Wait, so what did he say happened, Sai? Basically, he went into the gas station to get food and then.
He came back and his tire was flat.
Are you serious?
Obviously, it doesn't just go flat like that. He would have seen it was flat. Something would have popped up on the screen beforehand. So someone definitely slashed his tire or popped it somehow.
Oh, there it is. Yo, we're coming.
Yo, his car looks lopsided.
Alright, let me park right here, bro. Yo.
I'm not sure. I just went into the gas station
car's
to
like
get some
that.
snacks, and I think someone flattened my tire. Okay, I'll just wait. Thank you.
Bro, it is flat.
Yeah,
It's
G63
flat, right?
AMG.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Yo.
Bro,
All right, what happened, man?
I don't know, Cyrus. I think someone flattened my tire. I've been trying to look, but like back here, like
Oh, it's right there.
What?
someone
Oh, yeah.
stuck something, but I don't want to take it out
Yeah,
because I feel like it might fully pop.
Use a screwdriver. Dang.
And they left
Come
it
on
in
now.
there, bro.
Kind of hear the air still coming a little bit out.
I saw like some people loitering, just like chilling, and I thought they were just like cool, you know. But when I came back out here, they were gone.
They walked over here. They looked and they were just like,
Quick.
I mean, damn. Maybe get their fingerprints or something.
What does it say on the dash? I mean, like, what is it at?
Tire failure.
Really?
Tire failure.
Yeah, it looks flat, bro. Someone's messing with us. This sucks.
Hold on. Check tire pressure.
Oh, yeah, it's flat.
And I just got this car, so like I've been a part of BMW for a while. I'm still getting used to like Mercedes, you know. So it just sucks.
You think maybe we should pull it out?
No, I don't think we should pull it out. If we pull it out, more air would just flat. I'm thinking like, I don't know if you guys want to try, but I mean, it's definitely flat. Maybe we could like push it, put a neutral and push it over there where the air is.
Yeah.
I know this car has a jack, but bro, that jack is so like, it's weak. Like we need an actual jack to lift this car up.
Maybe they have something in there to fix tires.
Tow company's gonna be here in like 10-15 minutes.
Should we try to put air in it and see if it goes up? And then after that, then they could just switch a tire like tomorrow.
If we pull that out, all the air is gonna for sure come out of it, like this, quick.
You gotta drive slow because that screwdriver might come into your
Yeah,
like wheelbase and stuff, you know?
You want to try to put a neutral and push it over to the air and put some air in there? Or what do you guys think? Because I could just move the Tesla real quick and then we could try.
just don't want to damage the car anymore, bro.
You don't want to actually damage the actual
You
wheel,
know?
the wheel, yeah. You can even see how, like, it's lopsided crazy.
Wow. The air's still coming out too.
I wish we could find who did this. Alright, man, it's just a tire. You know, you got tire and wheel protection.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. I just had plans tonight, you know, so it's just something annoying to deal with. You know what I mean? To have to deal with this.
Just gotta replace the tire, come back, and get some more dope shots, but
Yeah, at least we got the shots before I got a flat tire, right?
That's true, yeah. I mean, we'll fix it up. It's no big deal, but I'm happy that, like, you know, they didn't mess with me and it's the car instead. You know, you never know what people are capable of. You gotta stay safe out there, guys.
I'm gonna go to the gas station real quick to see if we can get that footage.
All right, thanks, bro.
could have been worse.
Yeah, I guess we can try and roll it over there in a little bit, but
Maybe we shouldn't move it because we don't want to damage the actual wheel. Maybe we should just wait until we get it towed.
yeah, see what the guy says.
I'm gonna just like wiggle it around and see how it's.
Yeah, it's in there, bro.
That's stuck in there, man.
Let me see, where's it at? I didn't even look. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can really see it. They literally just put a screwdriver in there. Like what? That's crazy.
Sure, there's not anything else under there. Like you did a whole check around. and
Yeah,
everything?
other tires good.
Everything's good. Yeah,
This is
everything's
good.
good. Tire pressure.
What about any scratches or anything? There's some marks on it, but
It's not what we'll find out till later,
yeah.
honestly. But hopefully that's the only thing. Like, come on, bro.
Someone's hating out there. I mean, karma is a real thing. So
Always someone out there, bro.
yeah, so Marcus said that most likely you're not gonna have the footage tonight. I mean, we got dope shots with the Insta360. Make sure you guys get yours right now. Link in description. Get yours right now. Amazing deals happening. Check it out and get some dope shots. We got some dope shots with the G-Wagon and the other cars. So
I'm really excited to use that once I get this tire replaced. The Insta360. We're gonna do some dope content with that. So make sure you guys subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys, but hey, we'll be back up and running in no time. Let's go.